What's going on, folks? We got some breaking crypto news for you. Man, I'll tell you what, there's just so much noise out there. There's so much going on around us to distract us in this market, to derail our hopes, to derail our dreams, to make us lose our focus, to invoke fear, to scare us. And we're seeing this in our world everywhere, not just crypto. But at the end of the day, this video is about making sure you're preparing yourself for what's coming. Making sure you're not letting the voices from the outside dictate how you think on the inside. And that's easier said than done, because a lot of folks are getting manipulated. A lot of folks are being lied to in this cryptocurrency market. Just because it's this weird no man's land where not a lot's going on, it's kind of boring, does not mean it's time to check out. So let me dive into some of the stories here that we're going to talk about. I'm going to come at this from a couple different angles, and you'll kind of understand where I'm coming from. And I'm hoping you can glean something from this. And, I make crypto videos every single day, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, doesn't matter. Your birthday, my birthday, Jesus's birthday, I'm here. And I absolutely love it. And I get frustrated when I see people getting manipulated, getting shaken out, getting told one thing while they're doing another thing. And that's exactly where we're going to start with this video, guys. So I'm not sure if you caught this yesterday, but JP Morgan, the largest bank in the US, announces that it owns Bitcoin spot ETF holdings. Now, Jamie Dimon has made it an absolute point to go on every public outlet that he's been on recently. I believe it was like Good Morning America. It was like all those morning shows, TV shows, saying Bitcoin is a rock, Bitcoin is worthless, crypto is stupid. Yet, here we go, news that JP Morgan, the largest bank in the US, owns Bitcoin spot ETF holdings. Check this out. Turns out JP Morgan, the largest US bank, has been buying Bitcoin ETFs even while CEO Jamie Dimon has been publicly hating on Bitcoin and crypto. In December, Dimon said in front of Congress he would shut Bitcoin down if he were the government. The FUD crypto in public and buy in private narrative, guys, this whole thing right here, they FUD crypto in public and buy in private, is happening. Don't let them pull the blanket over your eyes. This is happening more than we know. Now, this is another story. I'm going to come back to this in just a second. Mark Cuban has said SEC Gary Gensler, of course, the SEC is creating fear, uncertainty, doubt, just like Jamie Dimon and some of the big institutions are. The SEC is the biggest fear monger, the biggest FUD master is Gary Gensler. Mark Cuban has went on record, and this is interesting because Cuban usually doesn't speak out like this. He said Gary Gensler has not protected a single investor against crypto fraud. All he has done is make it nearly impossible for legitimate crypto companies to operate. MySpace has protected more investors than the SEC. Dunk on him, Mark. Enough is enough. We want to build. This is coming from Marty Party. Good job with Twitter Spaces. Does a nice job with those. And basically, Mark Cuban, as we know, he is a Democrat. And I don't want to, this isn't about politics, but he's going after the regime. He's going after Biden as well, in basically saying you're going to lose the young voters. It says here, if Joe Biden loses, there's a good chance you'll be able to thank Gary Gensler and the New York SEC. Crypto is a mainstay with younger and independent voters. Gensler has not protected a single investor against fraud. All he has done is to make it nearly impossible for legitimate crypto companies to operate, killing who knows how many businesses and ruining who knows how many entrepreneurs. This is also a warning to Congress. Crypto voters will be heard this election. You solve this problem for Biden by passing legislation that defines registration that is specific to the crypto industry, just as other industries have registration that is defined for them. Or you could do the better option and assign all crypto to be regulated by the CFTC. They actually know what they are doing. And what they're doing is they're stunting innovation. They're lying to you. And guess what? They're packing their bags as well. They want this period of no man's land. They want it to be weird. They want you to sell so they can buy your positions. And then when they're good and ready, they'll tell you to come back in. Don't listen to the nonsense, guys. Don't be persuaded. Don't be manipulated. What's happening right now with big banks, it's deeper than this. I even put something more on my timeline here. Just need to find it. Here we go. Wells Fargo, America's third largest bank, discloses they have spot Bitcoin ETF holdings. So Wells Fargo and Jamie Dimon at Chase were telling you that Bitcoin and crypto is the worst thing ever. They were making it hard for you to do business. In some cases, they were telling you that you can't even use or interact with Bitcoin or crypto in our bank account, in your bank account with these companies. And here you go. Lo and behold, Wells Fargo discloses spot Bitcoin ETF holdings. See, here's the difference. The SEC doesn't want you buying Bitcoin from anybody else other than BlackRock and company, period. They want complete control over your finances. They don't want your money in exchanges where they don't know where it is. They can't see it. They can't survey it. That's what's happening right now. So all of these lawsuits that are coming down on Coinbase and Binance and Kraken and all of these exchanges, it's because they want more control. But do not let them shake you out of this market. If you decide with your own free will to leave for whatever reason, that's fine. I'm just encouraging you and urging you not to be manipulated. Do not look at what they say. Watch what they do. These big banks are buying Bitcoin. Institutions are buying Bitcoin. They're trying to manipulate this market so they can get richer. They're trying to manipulate this system like they manipulated the stock market. But this is different because we're already here. We're already here. We don't have to give in. We're going to do tremendous in this crypto bull run if you just stay in the game. Block out the noise. Understand what's happening around you. Devise your plan, and you're going to make it. Simple as that. I appreciate you guys for watching. Check out all the links down below if you're interested in checking out some platforms that I trade at, my Patreon page, or XT Algo, my trading indicator. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.